This tutorial guides you through managing job applications such as managing employer profile, job posting, and managing job applications on the Crazywhiz Employer Dashboard. First, you need to log into your account first to access your profile, view submit jobs, review applications, and manage job statuses effectively. Click My Account in main menu and then click on the Edit Profile button to begin updating your employer information and ensure your account details are current. Click the Update Profile button to save any changes made to your employer profile and keep your information accurate. Click the Post a Job button in main menu to create a new job listing and attract potential candidates for your open positions. If you have already posted any jobs, then you can click the My Jobs link in main menu view and manage all your current job listings in one place. Click the Search button to find specific job listings or filter your jobs based on criteria you set. Select on any job title to view job details and many more useful links to manage the individual job. Click the detailed job listing, for example click on Home Tutor for Class 6 near Hooghly, Whitefield, Bangalore, to access comprehensive information and manage it. Check the total views metric to see how many times your job posting has been viewed by potential applicants. You can also view unique visitors count to understand how many individual users have viewed your job posting. Click the Additional View option area to access detailed information details. Next, if you click on Applications link, you can review the number of applicants or candidates who have applied for this job opening. Click the Send Email link to contact the applicant for any further recruitment purposes. You can also access the applicant's phone number, if provided, for direct contact. Just below the contact details, you can view Check Applicant's job application details. If you want post a job, then you can click on the Add Job button to initiate the process of creating a new job listing on your employer dashboard. Click the My Jobs tab to navigate back to your list of job postings for management and review. Click the Mark Filled button to indicate that the job position has been successfully filled and is no longer open. Click the Edit button to modify details of an existing job posting to keep information up to date. Click the Job Options area to reveal additional actions you can take on your job postings. Click the Mark Not Filled button to reopen a previously filled job position for new applications. Click the Delete button to permanently remove a job listing from your employer dashboard when it is no longer needed. Crazywhiz provides a user-friendly employer dashboard to easily manage your job postings.